So everything in the crypto world is getting shaken up. We have Western Union deciding to partner with Solana. You have Trump's company building a crypto prediction market. And also JPMorgan is betting big on tokenization. And then we have Ray Dalio sounding the alarm of a bubble. Let's dive in. So diving right into it here, Western Union announces USDPT stablecoin on Solana. That was a shocker to many. A lot of people are thinking, whoa, why not XRP? XRP is clearly the chosen one when it comes to payments, right? Everyone knows this. At least most people know this. Here we're seeing here that Western Union announced its plan to launch the US dollar payment token, USDPT, a stablecoin and an innovative digital asset network designed to bridge the digital and fiat worlds, bringing real world utility for digital assets. They announced this 2 days ago. Okay. And I think there was a lot of shock to this. I'm not surprised, right? It's because looking at what they're doing and how it was done, it sounds like it was just a partnership and money was exchanged, right? And it for some reason, somehow it gives more credibility to Solana. I think Solana is going to do fine from price action investment standpoint. I don't necessarily think it's proven to be reliable when it comes to facilitating and supporting a payments network. So at the end of the day, Western Union has to do something, right? Western Union is a failing platform overall with the fees and really just not too many people use Western Union. And when I say that, I mean like most people are using like Cash App, Venmo, PayPal. Most people aren't using Western Union. Like they probably still have volume, right? And if we can look up and see like the volume of Western Union in 2024, I bet you they still have volume, right? Okay, see the revenue was 4.2 billion, decreased 3% for the previous year. So you know they're falling off a cliff year by year, right? And I definitely think that they know this and they have to pivot. I don't know the why behind Solana out of every platform to choose from. Solana is fast, but what is it? Every 6 to 12 months, they have some outage. So, Solana, shout out to Solana, but I'm not really concerned. A lot of people are saying, well, in XRP, this is pretty much saying XRP is dead. I think XRP still has its value, right? And I think this is what I love to see when people start saying a certain project, especially projects in the top 10. When they say certain projects like top 10, top 20 are dead, that's typically when you want to buy more historically, right? So, and then we have Scott Melker coming out asking about XRP, right? And pretty much getting an insane amount of publicity from his question of XRP, because people just go crazy. XRP army. I'm an XRP ally, not in the army. But I think this is something that he does great, right? And he asked a question about XRP and everyone just went absolutely insane, right? And so I don't even know where the post was. I think it was within the past 24 hours. It was asking about XRP, and here we go. And over 500,000 views. People just go crazy, right? And this XRP army goes crazy. And he's a Bitcoin maxi. But if you look, I definitely think, and time will tell, I truly believe that these guys have XRP bags. I think these guys have Cardano bags as well, right? I think they're sitting on bags, but it's just not their main bag. And I think it's going to come out 5 years from now, 10 years from now, and they have a bag and they made money and they hold it, right? And that's what I really think is going to happen for sure. So the exposure he got from that post and just pretty much triggering people, only then to post. Armada Acquisition Corp officially changes NASDAQ ticker to XRPN, aims to raise $1 billion plus to build the largest XRP treasury via business combination with Evernorth Holdings. So, like, come on. Like, the writing's on the wall. I don't care what anyone says. And this is for most people. Even my Bitcoin maxi friends, they have a bag of XRP. They have a bag of ETH and they have a bag of Cardano. They have a bag of all the projects are going to be around the next 5 to 10 years. And if it's not a sure bet, and we can't say sure bet, right? There's a high probability they're going to be around the next 5-10 years. Okay. So I truly believe that, despite what anyone says. I truly believe it. So next article, Nakamoto Holdings shares sink, 563 million pipe deals trigger massive sell-off. The CEO told Forbes he plans to fold Bitcoin Magazine, the Bitcoin Conference, and hedge fund 210K capital into Nakamoto Holdings to boost cash flow. So Nakamoto Holdings, the Bitcoin treasury firm, has seen its stock collapse by over 98% since May high, and after a wave of investor selling linked to the 563 million private investment in public equity deals. So looking at the holdings, they hold 5,765 Bitcoin, and they're going to continue to do what they can to survive. It looks like Bitcoin's on his balance sheet makes Nakamoto the 19th largest public holder of Bitcoin. Huge. So next up, we have Trump Media in the news again. Trump Media, the technology group to launch new prediction market, Truth Predict, in partnership with Crypto.com. Florida-based media technology company, majority owned by President Trump, is venturing into the prediction markets business, pretty much showing the truth. Called Truth Predict will enable users to bet on a range of events such as political elections and changes in inflation rates. Massive. The development comes as leading prediction markets, Polymarket and Kalshi, reach record levels, and firms such as CME Group and Intercontinental Exchange entering into the booming market. So a lot of things going on with the betting industry. You see the NBA dealing with sports betting. Like, the industry is growing nonstop. They're utilizing crypto as well. You can even get paid out in crypto. You got stake.com as well. Like, major money in the betting gaming space. You're seeing Trump's company starting to take a look at that and go into that as well. So very huge news. And honestly, crypto is immersed in that as well. Payouts, transparency. You can see everything. It's permissionless. It's trustless. You can see everything on the blockchain. So utilizing crypto is definitely in the mix of this as well. So let's see what happens there. Next up, we have JPMorgan. JPMorgan bets on tokenization as Connexi brings private equity on chain. So JPMorgan, who once told its employees, if you buy crypto, you're fired, don't touch Bitcoin, is now pivoting as well. So this is, again, watch what they do, not what they say. Jamie Dimon was anti-crypto for a long time, calling it a scam and everything. Now his company is moving forward to launch its fun tokenization platform, planned to roll out in 2026, guys. This is why you need to watch what they do, not just what they say. Then we have billionaire Ray Dalio warning traders facing a lot of risks and bubble indicator elevated. This is amongst the rate cut curveball. So Ray Dalio's back in the news, warning traders, especially new traders. There's a lot of bubble stuff going on. I have a bubble indicator, which is a composite of things that would take too long to explain. And the bubble indicator is relatively high. There's nothing to do only with pricing, but it has to do with who owns it, how the financing is taking place, and so on. He's saying that the typical burst under tight monetary policy, but current conditions favor easing rates and amongst a weakening economy. That means the bubble may continue to inflate, at least for now. So he's giving some warnings. Pay attention to that. Ray Dalio, you know, after stepping down, he's really out there a lot more. You're hearing a lot more from him. So we'll see how much more wisdom he has for us, especially him being pretty much like Warren Buffett 2.0. Like Ray Dalio did great things at Bridgewater. So definitely someone to at least listen to for sure. So definitely want to highlight that. Taking a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's pulling back again. Did not clear that high. It didn't clear this level that I was talking about here. I told you guys we need to clear, break and close above. We didn't close above. So I told you that was a qualifier for a continuation. So we went up there, bounced off, came right back within this range again. So we'll see if we're going to clear this level of support again or what. Right now, everything's pulling back. We even have Cardano back within range. Went up here, did not break above. Respect, came back down, heading towards this level of support. H-bars broke through the level of support, came back up to it, respecting it as a level of resistance, and now pretty much maintaining that level right now, but pulling back as well. So a lot of indecision, a lot of hesitation in the markets. If you even look at crypto fear greed here, everyone's at 34. This is when you buy, right? This is when you buy. If you're trading, you guys know, if we do trade, we're in and out of these markets. Like, I don't understand the people that hold leverage trades in crypto specifically for like swing trades long term. I don't get that. I don't get it. It's too volatile. You guys know this industry is fairly new, even though there's a lot of money to be made. Like, holding long term, if you don't have your stop loss and profit, holding long term, I just think I wouldn't even be able to sleep at night. So crypto, we're in and out. We're scalping. Fear greed is 34. You guys know we're buying orange and red. So we're accumulating. We are accumulating these assets still. So everyone's asking us, when is the bull run going to start? How will you know? We have a qualifier, guys, that I think is going to be something to pay attention to, and it's really going to set the tone for everything else. And we'll share that in the next video for sure. Hope you guys got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do. See you soon.